So something I'm seeing as a bit of a challenge for companies in the hospitality and tourism industry is really relating about, again, customer centricity. And on a strategic marketing level, we know the marketing teams are really trying to identify who is our target customer, what is our unique value proposition, how do we differentiate ourselves, and they generally do a decent job at that, I'll give them that. However, how do they cascade this down to the ground level where it becomes actionable for people in frontline customer-facing roles where they can be agile enough to respond to different types of customers? And what I mean by that is they can have a conversation with a customer and quickly, figure out what type of customer is this and how do I need to be, how do I need to respond, how do I need to communicate most effectively for this type of a customer, and be agile on an individual level to be able to do that. And also, of course, being empowered to be able to sometimes step a little bit beyond and take them through to the next step of the journey, handhold them a little bit more so I make sure they don't fall between the cracks between my department and the next one.